You thought New York was big? Dead center right in my screen. Massive city. Now let's see that again and take note of the bottom center of my screen as the city is panning upwards as I pan downwards. If I've been able to show you hundreds of installations in 3 weeks' time, maybe some of you would start to look into some of the things that I'm finding and maybe find some truth in it. In the near future, I will be meeting new amateur researchers, maybe some professional researchers, meeting some skeptical people, which I respect all your opinions, views, and points on the matter of aliens and structures on alien planets. It's a big controversial matter, but I hope to gather an amazing team of researchers and that we can share all of our channels together and stick together as one massive unit of channels, station if you want, to broadcast the truth and maybe become something bigger in the near future. The world hasn't heard the last of Bruce Swartz. He'll be around for a while. There's a massive geometrical shape right here, a square, perfectly symmetrical in the center of a crater.
Well, there are structures in here and here, over. So this is my next project is to zoom this up and to zoom this up, because this is so magnificent. On the bottom of this magnificent spherical object, at the top is very flat, top and bottom flat, and the two sides are very round. Whether it be a dome or a vessel, it is an object that I've been seeing several times on the surface of the moon, both on the top, the bottom, the left, the right, north. Is not natural. It's an object that was built, and whether it be alien or human, I'm not trying to bribe anyone on these videos, which they're just all common sense. And when I started finding signs of them, I said, I'm gonna have to share this with the world. I know that I'm gonna get a lot of disbelievers and get people pissed off about religion, etc., etc. But hey, get over it. So look, right here, and this line here, right here, this is all built. It's all areas that are built. You understand? It's not natural formations. It's a bit more reflective than the surface, like most structures are. I've been noticing many structures that are inside crevices on the moon. And all these structures, my friends, are very, very, very big structures. It could easily be hidden there. See, there's another one here, a white one. Reflective one right there too on the bottom, no matter what it is. And around it, well, you can see these installations. Species that could be on the moon. I've been posting a video every day for 3 months of installations. When is the world going to start believing? Start examining my photos. Start finding people on YouTube that are good at finding bullshitters. I'm even subscribing to pages of people that detect liars and stuff, etc., etc. Well, I'm friends with them. They don't seem to be harassing me. Maybe they believe me. The aliens have been watching us, the species, for thousands of years. And now we're starting to gaze back. See, here again. You see inside the structures that are in the corners and crevices of these mountains that can't be seen unless really close to a picture. This is another find. This is, in this video alone, we found maybe 4 or 5 structures. And now let me show you something else very interesting. This here, the symmetrical objects or formations that are all along the edge there. Do you understand that these aren't formations that formed naturally? They're actually over 17 structures inside of this crater. There are structures here, maybe 30 or 40 structures, very long and massive. There are structures in unison here, white formation here too. The massive dome or UFO I found there, and filled with structures on the bottom here. So this, at the size we are looking at it, would be another town or city. There's those 2 there, and they'll follow. There's 2 there. So some here, many here. And look here, the landing area, so that they can go in there very easily. And see, we can see actually some structures inside, or dome shapes, whether it be UFOs or vessels or structures. We can still see them. Look at that. See some color, green objects in almost every crater.
NASA went to the moon because they were astonished with all the structures and installations that they saw. They've been studying it, each and every installation, for over 40 years.